Reconciling your books and feel like the balance will never match? Here is the trick to fix it in 5 seconds. Hey guys, I'm Vitalik, and today, why your GnuCash balance doesn't match your bank and the fastest way to fix it. Ever stared at your screen wondering why the damn 4077 just won't match? Stick around, I'll show you the 2-second fix, and the next episode will dig into why it happened in the first place. Here is how it goes. Life happens, you've got just enough energy to import your bank transactions, but zero desire to actually reconcile them. So your GnuCash balance says one thing, the actual bank balance says something completely different, and now you're staring at two numbers that refuse to agree. Don't panic, don't give up on GnuCash. Don't give up on yourself. This is fixable, and honestly, it's easier than you think. So, are you the kind of person who just needs this fixed right now? No shame in that. Here's your fix. When you're in the Reconcile screen, there is a button right there labeled Balance. Click it. That's it. GnuCash will automatically create an adjustment, dumping the difference into an account called Orphan. And boom, your balance is matched. There is no real magic here. It's not solving the mystery why things don't match. It's just quietly sweeping the discrepancy into a corner so your numbers agree. Now, if you don't have a shred of OCD, you're done. Close your laptop, walk away, go live your life. But let's be honest with each other. You're using a double entry accounting tool for your personal grocery budget. And you're telling me you don't have OCD? Yeah, didn't think so. If you're one of us, the ones who actually need to know why the numbers didn't match, hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you in the next one.